Monday, we got a nice tulip poplar on the Wood-Mizer. This is a 10-footer. I'll be sawing this into 1x10s. We'll be using this for siding on the timber frame. All right, friends, before we get going here, 3 quick things. Number one, actually 4. Yeah, 4 things. Number one, we got a new hat on the Farm Focus website. I'll try to put a picture of it up here. It's the beard logo hat. That's now on their website for sale. You can order those. They're $25 a piece. Number 2, on the Sawmill today, we're going to be running diesel as our lubricant. I get a lot of questions about that. I really like running diesel as a lubricant for the blade. Number 3, as far as blades go, we're running a Turbo 7 silver tip. I get those from Joe Maine down in Georgia. If you're interested in trying those out, down the video description below, I got Joe's email address and his cell phone number, so hit him up if you want to try those out. And number 4, this video today is sponsored by Policygenius. So I want to thank those guys for sponsoring this video, and we'll talk more about them later. So hang in there with me, guys. Got tulip poplar on here. We'll bust this one wide open, and we got a good sharp blade on there. We should be able to go through this pretty fast. It's going to be a good day, guys. Hang in there with me. Alright guys, this is some nice poplar right here. Limited knots, and that's good for siding because knots just fall out over time. So I'm really happy with what I'm seeing. We got it squared up right now to a 10-inch cant. Here in just a minute we'll get the sawmill back running. We'll go in pattern mode and do our 1-inch cuts. And we'll probably get about 15 or 16 1x10s out of this. Not counting the boards that came off the top. We'll edge those down when we're done. Now today's video is sponsored by Policygenius, and Policygenius is not an insurance company. It's a marketplace that you can go to shop for life insurance. And if you have anybody in your family relying on your income, then life insurance is extremely important. And Policygenius helps you get that done and done right. Now there's 2 things that Policygenius does not do that I really like. Number 1, there's no hidden fees, and number 2, they will never sell your information to another company. I'm a small business owner, which means I don't have an employer offering me a benefits package. And you guys see what I do here at my business. I'm around dangerous equipment every day that can kill you if you're not careful. Now summer begins this month, and you know what that means? It's time to shop for life insurance. That way you'll have a bigger budget for all your favorite summer activities. Policygenius makes it easy to compare quotes from over a dozen top insurers all in one place. You can save 50% or more on life insurance by comparing quotes with Policygenius. And you could save $1,300 or more per year on life insurance by using Policygenius to compare policies. To start comparing quotes and simplify insurance buying, check out policygenius.com/outofthewoods. A real big thank you to Policygenius for sponsoring today's video.